Take a ride in the 2023 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, electronics package, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.